I lost my virginity to a pedophile. I was 15, anorexic. He was 58. He was my teacher. For months he groomed me and then abused me almost every day. Before school, after school, in my uniform, on the floor. Publicly, he described his crimes as awesome and enviable. Publicly, I was silenced by law. Not anymore. I remember him towering over me, blocking the door. I remember him saying, "Don't tell anybody." I remember him saying, "Don't make a sound." Well, hear me now. Using my voice amongst a growing chorus of voices that will not be silenced. Let's make some noises.